Email marketing remains a powerful tool for businesses in today's digital age. It's a direct line to your audience. You can build relationships and drive sales through email. It's more effective than social media for reaching your target customer. Email marketing is affordable and offers a high return on investment. It allows you to personalize your messages. This leads to stronger connections. You can segment your audience for targeted messaging. This increases engagement and conversions. Get ready to unlock the power of email marketing for your business. Before you can start sending emails, you need to know who you're sending them to. Defining your target audience is crucial for effective email marketing. Understanding your audience helps you tailor your message. Start by considering your current customer base. Who are they? What are their demographics and interests? Use this information to create buyer personas. Think about the problems your product or service solves. Focus on attracting the right people to your brand. Once you know your audience, it's time to set goals for your email marketing. What do you want to achieve with your campaigns? Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Short for SMART methodology. Instead of saying increase website traffic, set a goal like increase website traffic by 20% in the next quarter. Having clear goals allows you to track your progress. Measurable goals are essential for evaluating the success of your email marketing efforts. Review and adjust them periodically to align with your overall business objectives. The right email marketing platform is essential for success. There are many platforms available, each with different features and pricing. Some popular options include MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and automation features. Research different platforms and compare their features. Choosing the right platform can save you time and effort. Step 4. Determining your campaign type. There are various types of email campaigns you can run, each serving a different purpose. Common types include welcome emails, newsletters, promotional emails, and abandoned cart emails. Welcome emails greet new subscribers and introduce your brand. Newsletters share valuable content and updates with your audience. Promotional emails promote your products or services. Choose the right type of campaign for your audience and your goals. Step 5. Building an organic email list. Your email list is your most valuable asset in email marketing. It's crucial to build an organic list of subscribers who have opted in to receive your emails. Offer valuable content in exchange for email addresses. This could be a free ebook, discount code, or exclusive access to content. Create compelling opt-in forms on your website and social media platforms. Make it easy for people to subscribe to your emails. Building an organic email list takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. Step 6. The power of segmentation. Segmentation is the process of dividing your email list into smaller groups based on shared characteristics. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails. You can segment your list based on demographics, interests, purchase history, and more. By sending the right message to the right people, you'll improve your email marketing results. The more relevant your emails are, the more likely people are to engage with them. Step 7. Crafting compelling content. The content of your emails is crucial for engagement. Your emails should be visually appealing, informative, and engaging. Use a clear and concise writing style. Grab the reader's attention with a compelling subject line. Personalize your emails by using the recipient's name. Include a clear call to action. Offer your subscribers something informative, entertaining, or useful. Step 8. The importance of testing. Testing is crucial for optimizing your email marketing campaigns. Test different elements of your emails to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing is a common method for testing emails. Continuously test and analyze your results. This will help you improve your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. The insights you gain from testing can significantly improve your email marketing results. Step 9. Measuring and analyzing results. Measuring and analyzing your results is essential for understanding what's working and what's not. Most email marketing platforms provide detailed analytics. Track your progress over time to see how your campaigns are performing. Use the data you gather to make informed decisions about your email marketing strategy. Adjust your campaigns based on what you learn. Continuously monitor your results and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion: email marketing, a powerful tool for business growth. By following these 9 steps, you can create effective email campaigns that drive results. Focus on your audience, set clear goals, and create valuable content. Be patient, consistent, and continuously optimize your campaigns. Embrace the power of email marketing. Watch your business grow. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe this video.